Hello, everyone. My name is Arun George. I'm a principal AI consultant at Nuance Communications, which is owned by Microsoft. And one of the questions I often get is, what is the role of a conversation designer or consultant? And is it same as a traditional user experience role? Yes and no. There are definitely similar approaches, but at the same time, they're not the same. And I want to focus just on, you know, what is a conversational designer's role really is. And the easiest way to understand that is to think about it this way. There are two players on the field. You have the end user, and you have this AI chatbot. This AI chatbot, which cares about probability model, confidence score, APIs and business rules and intents, entities, and so on. And they don't care about anything else. Then they spit out a response, based out of that. And then you have the end user. The end user cares about, ultimately getting a response that's relevant to what they're asking. And is it actionable? If you are sending me to a page, does it make sense to do that? And when you do give me the response, can you do it with empathy, right? And once you understand that, then you can start, applying some of the methodologies that you would find in a traditional user experience and user research field. So as a conversational, designer, your role really is to bridge that gap between these two entities, the human beings and the AI chatbot. So hopefully that create a little more clarity on, the role of a conversational designer.